Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Airbnb to Guesty in 2024. So you're looking to streamline your property management tasks and maximize your Airbnb listings potential. Today we're exploring how to connect Airbnb to Guesty, which is a leading property management platform. And by integrating Airbnb with Guesty, you can automate with operation, synchronize calendars, and even enhance your guest experience. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up with Guesty and Airbnb. To do so, you will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want or whatever you have. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Start by going as example to airbnb.com, hit the enter button, open a new tab, go to Guesty. So Guesty.com, hit the enter button also, and you'll find yourself in the home screen or main screen of Airbnb and Guesty. For Guesty or for Airbnb, I'm already logged into your account. If it's your first time, you'll find yourself basically in the same page, but you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option or sign up option and login option. So if you don't have an account or you have an account, make sure to log into it. If you don't, you'll have to go and create a new one. You can go and do that with Google, Apple, Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're done, of course, you'll find yourself with your account right here. For Guesty, it's going to be the same. So I don't have an account, or I guess I have. Let me just go and check. An example, try to log in into my accounts. And I guess for hosts, so yeah, I'm not sure. So I'll just go here and click on sign up with Google. I guess I created my account using Google also. So yeah, I'm not registered yet. So let's just go and see how to register. So let's just go here and click on get started as example. Create a new account. So I'll just go and start with this, get started. I'll fill up some random informations for you. Make sure to enter like your informations, like United States. I'll just type Texas here. Phone number, I'll just enter a random one as an example. Of course, you can just enter like some random information. How many listings do you manage? I'll just do one. Average nights, I'll just do this. Then here the stairs, here is it. Next. Bicycles, here is it. Next. Okay, I missed like one picture, but it seems like right. And as you can see, you will get ready to start your 14 days free trial. So you'll have a free trial, which is 14 days. After that, you'll be able, of course, to, or you'll have to actually after that to pay. As an example, just in case while it's loading here, I'll just go and see the prices as you can see. So perfect, that's perfect for like 1 to 3 listings. You'll have to pay like a $27 per month, and you will save 31% if you like buy it manually, or sorry, annually, not manually. But you'll be like billed kind of $40 per month if you are not going to pay annually. And this, what would it include? It will include integration with Airbnb. So if you want to connect with Guestly with your Airbnb, you'll need this plan at least. So as you can see, integration with Airbnb, Booking, and Verbo, direct reservation, unified inbox, multi-calendar, task management, payment solutions, mobile management app, and a Booking website. Of course, if you like try to get a better plan, like if you have more than 3 listings, as you can see, you'll need to get a code. And as you can see, it will get you basically maybe more features. It seems, as you can see, it seems here more features. And if you are enterprise, like you have 200 listing plus, you'll need to talk to them. Basically, you'll have to contact them to see how you're going to do that. And as you can see, they have even light bundle as example for just $9 a month. And there's the pro bundle. Of course, you'll need to get a code as an example, etc. If you click here on start now, as an example, you'll have to go through the same steps of creating accounts. And I don't know why it's taking so a lot of time to like load. But basically, of course, once it's load, you'll have access to your account. And from that, you'll be able to integrate it with Airbnb. Maybe it's not working. I'll just go and try to do it all from the beginning. As an example, click on get started here. Or let me just go as example, click on pricing here, click on start now with the slides. And here, of course, I'll just go here and do this first name, last name, country. Let me just see if there's like a country that I have the number of. It seems like, no, it does not exist. So I'll just do other countries example. And yeah, I'll just do this number. How many listings do you manage? One, nights, this, and click on continue. So stairs. Okay, this is a better like robots thing. And yeah, I guess those are the stairs. And let's just wait. I'll give it like a 20 seconds. If it did not work, maybe they have a problem with and their website at the moment. You can come back later or you can simply contact the support for further instructions. Or as an example, just check one thing, go to my email provider and see example. So when did I get this? Okay, I guess it's earlier, not like right now. So as example, just go here and click on get started and let's see. So as example, almost there, check in box and click on verification link. Okay, I'll just go here. Okay, welcome to Guesty, verify email address. So, okay, seems like all good. I'll have to go here and create a password. Why not? Make sure it contains everything that they ask for. Click on create password. And it seems like I should be good to go. So we just wait. Yeah, it seems like we're good to go. So as you can see, once you just create your accounts, the first thing that you'll find in front of your face is first connect to Airbnb. So that's the idea of this video. Basically, create an account on Guestly or Guesty. Once you do so, you'll have to click on first connect to Airbnb. And as you can see, connect your Airbnb account. So you'll have to authorize it or give access to it. I'll just do this later. I don't want it to add my number. And here you are. I guess you already connected. So if we go here and like refresh, waiting for your approval, normally it should be like checked already. So it seems like to connect basically your Airbnb, you'll have to add your phone number. So just add your phone number, click on continue, and then you'll have to authorize it for me. I don't want to do it because I don't have like a United States phone number. So for you, just simply add your number. Of course, you don't have to enter like a United States phone number. You can change it. As an example, to whatever phone number do you have? As an example, so they have a lot of countries as you can see here. So choose your country, enter your phone number here. Click on text me a link as an example if you want to the free Airbnb app if you want that. If you don't want it, don't have to check it. Just go and click on continue, enter the code that they sent you as an example, and you'll be good to go after that. Enter the code, make sure to authorize it, and it will be connected without any problems. So I'll just do it later, and you'll find yourself connected with Airbnb without any problem. Here you'll be able to find everything and sync and do a lot of stuff here. So as you can see, you have 14 days on the free trial. If you like it, that's good. You can start paying. If you don't, you can cancel it. And because you didn't enter your card, so you don't even have to cancel it. It will be canceled automatically and it'll be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.